Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to equip multiple accessories in Roblox. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So in Roblox, as you can see here, we have in the accessories section, you can wear one for each accessory, one for the head, face, neck, and the rest. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wear multiple accessories at once. Now to be able to wear multiple accessories at once, what you're gonna do is you're gonna open your Chrome browser or any browser on your phone, and you're gonna go to roblox.com. Now click on that, and from here you can see these options: continue in app and continue in browser. So what you're going to do is click on continue in browser. After you click on continue in browser, you're going to have to log into your Roblox account. As you can see here, I have already logged in. Now what we're going to do next is click on the three dots located at the upper right corner of the screen. And we're going to scroll down until we see desktop site. Now we're going to click on this. And as you can see, the view has changed from earlier. Now it looks like what you'll see when you open roblox.com using your web browser on your laptop or PC. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna pinch the screen so we can zoom in. And then on the upper left side, you will see these three lines. Just click on this and you'll see here avatar. Now click on avatar. Now once you click on avatar, you can see here, this is your current avatar. Now let's head on over to accessories. Here you will see your recent items. And you can see some of these ones are the face accessories. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna select one accessory. Let's try this one. And then what you're gonna do is pull the page down to reload it. As you can see here, there is an arrow indicating a reload, and then release it. And as you can see, it's been applied. Now let's select another one and then again reload the page. Now just keep on doing that until you select all of the accessories that you want to use up to your satisfaction. And then once you're done, you can go back to the application and check that it has taken effect. And that is how to equip multiple accessories in Roblox. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you can tune in to the next one.